city hums a lullaby beneath the skyline glow. We'll dance on whispers softly swaying to and fro. Your eyes, they catch the saxophone's lonesome, tender plea. In a club where shadows dance, come close and waltz with me. The moonlight filters through the smoke, a hazy, gentle beam. A waltz of memories unfolds like some forgotten dream. Our footsteps echo history, a time-traveling romance. In New York City's heartbeat, tonight we'll take our chance. Oh, moonlight, sway us gently, let the saxophone serenade. In arms we find an oasis where the world begins to fade. With every note a promise in this old soul's tender tune. We'll slow dance through the silence 'neath a New York City moon. Your laughter blends with melodies, a sweet and soulful sound. In this haven, lost in music, love's where we are found. A drink in hand, the nights are band as time begins to slow. The saxophone's a soothing balm as city's lights aglow. Oh, let the night enfold us in this jazz-infused embrace. Our worries drift like evening mist as rhythm sets its pace. In every soulful cadence, our hearts find time to dream. Through the haze of cigarettes and dusk, where moments all redeem. Oh, moonlight, sway us gently, let the saxophone serenade. In arms we find an oasis where the world begins to fade. With every note a promise in this old soul's tender tune. We'll slow dance through the silence 'neath a New York